Dear students, we will discuss in this class about the solutions. Solutions is the second chapter in the physical chemistry in your syllabus. From this chapter, in the board examination, you will get the 3 questions. That is, the 1 mark questions is 2 questions. That is question number 1 and question number 2. And 5 marks question is 1. That is question number 28. We will get from the solutions chapter. In this, now we are going to be discussing in this class about some terms related to the definition of solution and some terms related to the solution and the types of solutions we are going to be discussing in this class. That is the first, we will discuss about the definition. Means, suppose the sugar is going to be added to the water. At that time, the sugar is dissolved in the water. It becomes a homogeneous mixture. It becomes a homogeneous mixture. We can say that it is a sugar solution. We can say that it is a sugar solution. Means the sugar solution which contains the 2 components. One is sugar, another one is water. Means now we can define solution as solution is a homogeneous mixture. That is, the solution is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture of 2 or more components. Means the solution we can be defined as it is a homogeneous mixture of 2 or more components that we call as a solution. In this, now I said that the sugar is dissolved in the water. Here the water we called as a solvent, then sugar we called as a solvent. Then what is meant by solvent? Now we are going to be discussing about what is meant by solvent. Means the solvent means that is the component. Generally we can be defined as the component which present in the large quantity. The component which contains in the large quantity is known as a solvent. What is meant by solute then? Solute which contains the less quantity, no, we cannot define like that. Solute may be 1 or 2, 1 or more. At that time we can be defined as solute means here 1 or more components. 1 or more components present in the solution. Other than the solvent is called as solute. Andre solvent bittu ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ components na ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that we call as a solute. Means now we know the definition of the solution and what is meant by solvent. Solvent means it is a large quantity. The component which is present in the large quantity that we call as a solvent. 2 or more components present in the solution other than the solvent is known as a solute. Suppose some sugar plus salt plus water we are going to be adding. The sugar and the salt all together, the sugar and the salt is going to be dissolved in the water. The water is present in the large quantity. At that time, this water becomes the solvent. And these two we call as a solute. Means maybe solute may be 1 component, right? Otherwise more. Sometimes it's going to be more. Then next comes to the one of the important question. The 1 mark question so many times asked in the examination. What are binary solutions? means the solution which contains two components. The solution which contains two components are called as a binary solution. Means that solution only it contains two components, not more than like this: sugar, solvent, and water. Means this contains the three components. It's not a binary solution. Binary solution means solution which contains two components that we call as a binary solution. In this binary solutions, example for the binary solution, that is a solution of salt in water. There is a solution of sugar in water, like this. These are examples for the binary solution. This is important, so many times asked in the examination. What are binary solutions? Give an example. 1 mark. So many times asked in the exam. Based now, this about the definition of binary solution. The solution which contains two components is called as a binary solution. Example for the binary solution is solution of salt in water, solution of sugar in water is example for the binary solution. Now we are going to be discussing about the types of solutions. When it comes to the types of solutions means there are three types of solutions based on the state, that is the physical state of the solute and the solvent. First, these are classified into the first one, that is the gaseous solutions. The second one is liquid solutions. The third one is solid solutions. We'll discuss one by one. That is, I said that types of solution is based on states of solute and solvent. That is the state of solute and the solvent, based on solute and the solvent. First, we will discuss about the gaseous solutions. There are three states. Matter we can be that is classified into three states. We know that is in that sometime. Suppose solute. If you are going to be taken the solute, this is about the solvent. We'll take some example for that. First, suppose the solute is solid or gas or liquid, or we are going to be taken that is the first case. It is going to be, suppose the solute is gas, the solvent is gas, then solute is liquid, the solvent is gas, then solute is solid, then the solvent is gas. How? The solute is gas and solvent and the solute both are in the gaseous state. So that is best example is that is a mixture of oxygen and nitrogen gas. That is a mixture of, example for that is mixture of oxygen and nitrogen gas. Means we know that both oxygen and the nitrogen are the gases. The mixture of that is nitrogen and the oxygen is going to be mixed. It is going to be form a homogeneous mixture that we call as a solution. That particularly we call as a gaseous solution. In that gaseous solution only this. Next, in the second case, solute is liquid and the solvent is gas. Solvent is gas. For this, example for this is, that is chloroform. That is chloroform is mixed with nitrogen gas. That is chloroform. Chloroform mixed with nitrogen gas. This chloroform is in the liquid state, but the nitrogen is the gaseous state. Means nitrogen is a solvent here, the chloroform is a solute here. This is example for this type of, that is solution, that is also we call as a gaseous solution. Then third type, solid and the gas. That is the solid is going to be dissolved in the gas. Means solid is here solute and the gas is the solvent. Example for this is that is camphor in nitrogen gas. That is camphor in nitrogen gas. Camphor in nitrogen gas. Here, in this camphor, we know that the camphor is present in the solid state, nitrogen in the gaseous state. Means this type of solutions we call as a gaseous solutions. Why it is called as a gaseous solution? You can observe the solvent is here gas. The solvent is gas. Means the component which is present in the large quantity is gas. Therefore, these solutions we call as a gaseous solutions. These solutions we call as a gaseous solution. The next will come to the second type, that is the liquid solutions. In that liquid solutions, we are going to be again, is going to be three types: gas, liquid and the solid. Then here the solvent is in the three cases also, it's the liquid. We'll take some. Here the solute is gas, solvent is liquid. The example for this is oxygen. Oxygen is the gas dissolved in the water. Means this is an example for this type of solutions, that is going to be oxygen dissolved in water. You can observe in this oxygen is in the gaseous state. And water in the liquid state. Therefore, this is about the liquid solution. The next liquid. You can give any example. Liquid means you can take ethanol is going to be dissolved in the water. That is liquid state means that is going to be, we are going to take an example. Both are in the ethanol. We know that in the laboratory, you know that it is in the, you saw that the ethanol is in the liquid state and also the water in the liquid state. That is ethanol dissolved in water. That also is an example for the liquid solution. Next, third type of solution, that is solid in liquid. That is solid is the solute, liquid is the solvent. We are going to be taken an example for this is glucose dissolved in water. That is the glucose dissolved in water. Glucose dissolved in water means glucose, salt dissolved in water, glucose dissolved in water. Any solid is dissolved in the liquid. That is example for the liquid solutions. Again comes to the last, that is the solid solutions. That is solid solutions. Again is going to be three types. That is solute is gas, liquid and solid. That is this solvent, solute. In all three cases, that is solvent is solid. We will discuss. That is solute should be gas, solvent should be solid. That is one is solute is gas, then solvent is solid. Example for this is that is hydrogen in pelladium. The solution of hydrogen in palladium. This is an example for that. That is the solid solution. Means that is the hydrogen in the gaseous state. Then palladium is the solid state. Yeah, the palladium is present in the large quantity. The hydrogen is present in the less quantity. That is next we are going to discussing about that is liquid solid. Means that the solid is liquid and the solvent is solid. This example, amalgam of mercury. Amalgam of mercury with sodium. That is amalgam of mercury with sodium. Mercury is in the liquid state. Then sodium in the solid state. This is example for the solid solution. Then solid means two solids is going to be mixed. We are going to get the homogeneous mixture that we call as a solid solution. Example for that, copper is dissolved in gold. We know that copper is dissolved in gold. We know that. This is in jewelry shop they are doing this work. Means the copper is we are purchasing the jewelry, means gold jewelry. In that pure gold they are not getting. In some percentage they are going to be adding some copper. That is going to be example for that. So that is the solid solutions. Means that is solid, both solid and solute and the solvent both are in the solid state. This about the few terms and types of the recent solutions, types of binary solutions. We know that definition of the solution is that is a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more components. Then solvent means the component present in the large quantity. The component present in the large quantity that we call as a solvent. Solute means two or more components other than the solvent in a solution is called as a solute. Then binary solution means the solution which contains two components are called as a binary solution. Example for binary solution is solution of salt in water, solution of sugar in water. Then types of the solutions, types of binary solutions is based on the physical state. We are going to be physical state of the solute and the solvent. We are going to be classified into three types. That is gaseous solutions, liquid solutions and the solid solutions. Maybe solute is going to be vary, that is gas, liquid and the solid. The solvent is gas only in the gaseous solutions. In the liquid solutions, that is the solute is going to be vary, that is gas, liquid, solid, but liquid solvent is liquid. Then in solid solution, that is solute is going to be different, but it is going to be solvent is going to be solid only. That is about the types of solutions.